Alright, so what we have here is a G29 Yamaha golf cart with a 6-inch Jake spindle lift kit on it. We're going to tune it up, which is going to involve putting a plug in an air filter, a fuel filter, and changing the oil in it. So, oh, and we're going to put a windshield on it. So, let's get into this project. Alright, so my camera died and I thought it was recording as well, but we put a quart of oil in it, so that's done. Full of me. Alright, so let's pull this apart a little bit. And these are 13/16. Well, I didn't really tell you what. I'd say, friends, about time. I think they're DPR8ES. No, that's a 2ES, which means that's a pretty hot plug. I wonder what they gave us to put in it. Denso in, taking an NGK out. This is the video rotary foam. Yeah, cool. I would say that other air filter was shot. Pretty dirty. I was going to try to put it in that thing. I put it on there backwards. Looks good. Me. Seems a lot better. Now let's put the windshield on. Alright, so there you go. It's in. They send you new hardware. They send you screws to screw these on, but I never do because I don't like putting extra holes in the thing. I guess it's just a preference. But yeah, right on.